Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. It's been a while. The day job's been quite demanding, and I'll be honest with you, I've been a bit under the weather recently, so not felt a great deal like coming out in the workshop. But I've got a few things done. There's some new bits turned up that I've bought, so I'll show you those. But really, this is a short video, my opportunity to say thank you all. Thanks to all of you who've subscribed, who've watched my videos over the past year, and yeah, really appreciate it. I'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, safe, happy and prosperous New Year, and I'll see you all in 2025. We'll be doing more things in the workshop, and who knows what we'll get up to. But anyway, thanks very much indeed. It really is appreciated that you spend some time with me, and yeah, hope you have a great time. So I'll get on with the video, stop waffling, and see you all in the new year. Take care of yourselves. Looks as though we don't have the stirrup, the lower part of the stirrup. It's an amel. That'll come in handy. In fact, I think Peter needs one of these for his bike. So we might have one. We can find the stirrup. Nice set of new brake and clutch lever. They look new anyway. Not ball ended, flat ended, so don't know what they're off. Could be anything, couldn't it? I know he did quite a bit of aerial stuff, so could be aerial, couldn't they? But some bits of cable, inner and outer. Yeah, so that was his cable box. So I'll transfer probably anything useful out of there into my cable box and top it up. So very useful stuff. Another plastic box. What have we got in here? Oh, that looks like vacuum, carburetor vacuum union, possibly automotive car type stuff. Rubber seals. We've got a bag full of small, probably vacuum hose clips. We've got looks like a Hewitt fuel tap. Doesn't feel as though it's got any innards to it. And then we've got various carburetor fuel type connectors. So this is probably his cable cutter. Piece of copper pipe. This is his carburetor fuel tap box. What have we got in there? Yeah, more hose clamps and things like that. P clips. There's some fiber washers in there. More carburetor union connections. Piece of fuel filter gauze. Yeah, this has been his fuel tap box, I would say. Brand new, look. Hewitt's fuel tap. And he used one. We've got some spare Hewitt's fuel tap corks. So some useful bits in there, definitely. Fill the parts bins up with. This I knew about. He said he had some bulbs and bits and pieces that he'd sent me. So we've got some pre-focus bulbs, glass fuses, What we've got here, LED bulbs by the look of it. Yeah, lots of LED bulbs. We've got the 12 volt LED stop tail. Well, that's good. A halogen. Another pre-focus. We've got some warning lamps, a red one, a green one. The LED bulbs are handy. Red. So they're side lamps, rear side lamps. Don't know what that is. Looks like an electronic flasher. Oh, it could be an electronic. Oh, positive and alt. So look, it says faulty on it. So probably a knackered regulator. And then we've got some other bits and pieces in here. Stop switch, I think that is. Pre-focus bulb. That's automotive. That's a instrument regulator on the back of a dashboard. Few bits and pieces. There we go. Bulbs and bits and pieces. So that's some quite useful stuff in there, particularly the LED bulbs. Very useful. Then we've got some auto electric supplies, some wiring loom wire, British colours by the look of it. That looks like some trim, like tank trim or seat trim when you've done a new seat cover, the U-channel plastic trim that you push on afterwards. What have we got here? A very modern set for modern bike indicators. The bikes we work on, the indicators are growing out of your shoulders, aren't they? Another pair of modern bike indicators. Must have perhaps he put indicators on his bikes. I don't know. Some people do. They feel safer in modern traffic with indicators. That's a nice piece of kit. I just found at the bottom of the box. A very nice Eclipse tap wrench. Very happy with that. Ignition condensers. Not entirely sure what for, but British, definitely. Don't know if they work, but somebody needs them. You never know. We can always give them a try, can't we? Look at that. An old tax disc from when I was a year old. Has it got any writing on it? Let's have a look. It's completely faded. Completely faded. 31st of October 1974. Cardiff. There you go. A Welsh tax disc from 1974. And that's about it, guys. Some more bits of wire. Light lens off of something, not entirely sure what. Maybe a trailer or something like that. Who knows what make is it? Doesn't say. So there we go. A few bits and bobs that I need to sort through, and the tooling, definitely the taps and dies, are going to come in very, very handy for the stuff that I do. And no doubt quite a few of the other bits and pieces as well. So I thought I'd share that with you. As I say, not much more going on really. I'm going to have a good revamp of the workshop, hopefully over the Christmas period. Got some time away from the day job, so I'm going to rope my apprentices in, and I'm going to have a bit of a revamp in here and see if we can make better use of the space, move things around a little bit. But apart from that, I'll probably get on with the saw, maybe do a bit more painting, and that will be it, I think. But I hope you all have a fantastic Christmas, and I hope that 2025 brings everything that you want it to, and you all keep yourselves healthy and well. And here's to another year of messing around in the workshop. Have a good time, mind how you go, and I'll see you soon.